Matching my steez, you know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they for too much whining, they for too much whining. I see the be, I see show you the enter. Oh yeah, make you call me. Oh yeah, show yourself, do over Sabi.
The next one, turn
We
right.
just put up to Chicago, y'all.
At the light, turn right onto North 12th Street. Then turn left onto West Illinois Street.
But I'm gonna go by the beach so it can be a nice breeze while we figure out what we're gonna eat. We already got our hotel. We know where we're gonna stay. We just outside.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto North Columbus Drive.
And you know what you wanna eat?
Yeah, I have no idea.
That reflects. Drivers is crazy.
Feeling alone. it's the style. All we ask is try. All we got is time. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Tell me who you're loyal to. Do it start with your woman or your man. Do it end with your family or friend. Or you're loyal to yourself and depends. I said, tell me who you're loyal to. Is it anybody that you would lie for? Anybody you would slide for? Anybody you would die for? That's what that's for.
And I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get high.
All I want is loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
Said I'm deep and I'm fired up. All I want.
All right, y'all, we just parked. They told us it's technically valet parking, so we got about 40 minutes, and they're gonna tell us to move. We're downtown Chicago. We might move to self-parking depending on how long we're gonna be here, or you can park over there. Anyway, we finna go get some ramen. This is gonna be great. Excuse me. All right, y'all, we finna grab some food. Thank you so much. Of course. Enjoy. Yeah.
This was so cute. Oh, these are like the little bun tacos.
What a beautiful view down here. Man, it's a little hot outside because I would sit right out there, but man, it's hot. Oh, look at the bike, look at the bike. Don't hit the bike. Don't hit the bike.
What they need to come
No.
closer for?
Hold on now, I'll be back.
Go scoot it up.
Hold on now. What we got going on? Y'all, I'm in there eating. And I said, hold on. Now why he parked that close? Why he put that thing on me like that? I said, hold on. Hey y'all, it's QueenSit. Look who I just ran into. Nick, we down here in Chicago.
We're here in the city.
What down here?
To be honest, we're trying to sign a ghost deal. So we just met with the guys at the ghost office. But it's awesome. You ride Harleys?
Yeah, I ride Harleys roadside. And,
Oh my God.
I just came here from St. Louis and just ran into him. I said, yo, I gotta go outside and say what's up.
Hey,
a
it's
pleasure
nice to
meeting
meet
you.
you.
I ain't
It's
gonna
a
hold you,
pleasure.
but right on.
No, you're not homie. Do you ever ride mopeds?
No, I never.
Oh, he's a big moped guy. He has
Oh!
a
Moped, yeah, what's going on? What's going on, Brad? Crowd here. I got a Vespa. It's incredible. I love it. I gotta get myself on a Harley though.
Yeah. Right on, y'all. Subscribe. We out.
That was amazing.
If you know what it means, find your dreams. If you know what it means.
These are called warm donuts.
The miso on glaze, really good.
Hey, yo, with the miso on the glaze.
I'm excited. Order so they melt in your mouth.
What?
Okay.
Hey, y'all, check this out. Shout out to Ramen-san. They just brought us out some complimentary donuts. So let's see what this is talking about. Woo, okay, we just got through eating. Man, what a crazy day. Just met Nick Nayer.
Let me see how you spell his name.
Right now we're finna go to the hotel. We just had the best ramen. They gave us some free mini donuts. When I say they were fire and soft and melt in your mouth. Right now we just got in from St. Louis. Just rode the bike here. Y'all, we haven't even checked into our hotel yet, okay? We just drove straight here and said, hey, let's go get some food. So right now, we're finna jump on the bike. I went on Airbnb. We got us a place to stay. And we finna go check in. And I think it's supposed to be nice, so I'm excited. Once we check in, we're gonna come back out and probably slide through downtown and see if we can find some stuff to do tonight. I haven't been swimming all summer and it's really bothering me. Like, it's been hot, it's summertime. I need to get in some water, so that's what we're doing tomorrow. We're going to the beach, Michigan. What is that, Lake Michigan? We're in there, okay? We gotta go to the store, go get us some swimsuits because we forgot them. And then we going swimming. You ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
If
whole wide world. 'Cause I have never met a girl that I love in the whole wide
So Japan, if he meet me, he gon' bow. Like he ain't for your friends. If they pretty, bring them out.
My song moves along as a sharp limb moving. The highs will get no higher, the bass will go no lower. Cause everlasting bass show enough moves the floor. So three bitch.
Yeah, let me light my see-through blunt.
Ready or not, you rock.
You know about it.
Gonna find.
Just like that, we made it. Just grabbed my MacBook. We got the bike parked. Abby grabbing a bag. And we finna check into our hotel. This is my first time staying at this hotel. So hopefully it's talking about something. The pictures all look good. And the fun fact about me, I hate hotels, bro. I hate staying at other people's stuff. Like, it's just not for me. And but I do appreciate a nice hotel. And then before we get in, I just want to say these pipes on my bike get so hot. The road is hot. It's a hot ride, and I forgot to wear boots this ride. I wore some Chucks, and man, I think I messed my leg up. So we're gonna check it out when we get in the hotel.